Catching someone's ear, a key to effective communication. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that can really spice up your English conversations: catch someone's ear. This idiom is not just about hearing. It's about engaging and making an impression. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and make your conversations more captivating, you're in the right place. To catch someone's ear means to attract someone's attention through what you are saying or how you are saying it. It's about making someone interested in listening to you, whether you're telling a story, presenting an idea, or simply sharing information. This phrase emphasizes the importance of communication skills and the ability to stand out in a conversation. Using catch someone's ear in a sentence is quite straightforward. Here are some examples. I need to find a way to catch the CEO's ear at the next meeting. Her unique perspective on environmental policy really caught my ear. He's always coming up with catchy slogans that catch people's ears. Notice how the phrase can be used in professional, personal, or casual contexts to express the idea of gaining attention and interest through communication. 1. Be clear and concise. People are more likely to listen if your message is easy to understand. 2. Be passionate. Enthusiasm is contagious. If you're excited about what you're saying, others are more likely to be interested. 3. Use stories and examples. Stories can paint a picture and make your message more relatable and memorable. 4. Ask questions. Engaging your listener by asking them questions can pique their interest and make them feel involved. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of catch someone's ear. Remember, effective communication is key in any language, and knowing how to attract and retain someone's attention is a valuable skill. We hope this video has been insightful and that you'll use this phrase to enhance your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.